Sorry for the interruption. So back to what I was talking about, effective PowerPoint and screencasting. Um, so yeah, personally for our class, we ended up using Screencast-O-Matic. This is kind of what it would look like at the end of your video. But with Screencast-O-Matic, are able to take videos of your entire screen, and if you want to, you could also take a video of the entire screen and a small video of yourself using your webcam, and you can use that as well. I think that's really important to use with kids in the classroom. I think this is a great way for kids to be able to learn from their teachers while not in the classroom. I think this is a really easy way for teachers to help explain homework assignments, especially projects, for kids while they are not in the classroom. So you could easily create a screencast while walking through a PowerPoint of how to do a certain project, and be able to put it into YouTube and give your kids the link to go to so they can watch how to create what you are wanting them to create. I think this is a great tool to utilize, and it's really easy. I mean, anybody can really use it. I think it's really cool for kids to use. I personally have always wanted to be able to try something like this, and so I was really excited to get to try something like this. And I think that was a really neat opportunity, and I would recommend anybody trying this out, especially in their classroom for their kids. I think it was a great way for them to interact with you while you are not there. Specifically for the ISTE standards, I think this best falls in line with standard number 6, the facilitator standard. I think it literally what's best said is educators facilitate learning with technology to support student achievement. And I think that this is a great way, screencasting is a great way to do that. Making sure kids have effective PowerPoints is a great way to do that. So yeah, I think we should probably incorporate this more into classroom settings than we do. It would give the kids an opportunity to just learn a lot easier while they are not in the classroom. So yeah, that's about it for this project and this portfolio of mine that I've created. I think overall I did an okay job. I think there was definitely some things that I could have done better, even creating all of these things. For instance, my infographic, I forgot to use sources for a lot of my pictures and a lot of my information. So once again, going back to how important copyright law is, and for educators to be knowledgeable about that as well as students. So that's why I gave myself 4 out of 5 stars. I did not do perfect, but I think I did quite decently, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's about it for me. Thanks for listening in to this quick video, just about some different options as to use in the classroom. I hope it was informative, and I hope you enjoyed it. Alrighty, I will see you later. Have fun teaching, guys. All right.